everybody. Today it's Thursday. It's actually Anzac Day in Australia, so I've got 4 days off work now, which is pretty good. I booked tomorrow as leave, otherwise I would have gone in. I've already been to the gym today and I've made myself a coffee to start my morning. Actually, it's a bit late now. I think it's like 12 lunchtime. I'll be having my lunch soon. It's a new day today, it's Saturday. So yesterday I went to Marialta Falls, which you would have seen, which was really nice. I pushed myself to go for a little bit of a hike. I loved seeing all the different animals though around, and it was really nice views and everything, so it was a really nice day. Just bought yesterday a new computer monitor. As you can see, this one is huge. This was actually my boyfriend's. He just gave it to me to use, but it's just too big for me to work on. And I did really want to get the MacBook, and I know that was just so expensive, so I just kept putting off bothering to get a new one. I got this monitor from JB Hi-Fi. I'm going to open it in a second with you, but yeah, it's just a cheap one. Basically, we price matched it to one on Amazon, which we found for 200. This was originally 260 or 50, so we got like $50–60 off, which was really good. And obviously the MacBook ones are so expensive, it'll take me a long time to save up. So yeah, for now, I just got this one. And also I got this from Kmart, a new keyboard and mouse, a little white one, which is really nice, so I'm excited to try this out. This is a wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Oh, the mouse is down the end. So there is the, oh my god, I thought it was going to stick out. I was holding on the right end then for it not to fall. Yeah, cute, I like it. I love white stuff, so. And then this is the keyboard, so it's like silver and white. But it's much more my style. I love it. Yeah, let's unbox the TV monitor then, shall we now? Pop this on the floor, Kiki. screen. Remove this. Remove this. Ow. This is too heavy to carry. So I have to wait for Angus to come and help me. Sorry that this vlog is a little bit short, by the way. Let me know if you do like to see longer ones. I'll try and make it longer for the next one. And I've already started filming that as well, which is going to be more process on building my business again. So definitely subscribe, make sure you come back for that one. Thanks so much for watching today's one anyway, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!